Just missed one. Worst hook set in my life. Came after it, but then it backed off. Damn, that's a spot. Holy crap, that's a spotted bass. Damn, look at that spot. Look at that, Terry. That's my biggest. My biggest spotted bass. There's one over here if you want to mess with it. Bigger one. £2, 2.2. Damn. You get my picture of him, please? That's my biggest spotted bass right there. That's a good one. No. Probably the most aggressive bass I've ever caught. $2.6. Oh. Jeez. Do what? Oh, some kind of creature bait. I'm not real sure what it is. Well, green pumpkin, power bait, Skeet Reese Pit Boss. I caught about a 2.5 pound spot over there on a bed, so that's my biggest spot that I've ever caught. Some guy over here just caught about a 6 pounder, so yeah. I don't know if it was on a bed or not though. Good luck to y'all. Thank you. Hit him with it, her. He's got it, he's got it. Hold on, let me get down there. A little bigger than I thought he was. Jeez.
Yay!
Hook fell right out. Make sure this got the right angle. Look at that. Got you another bedfish. I wish I got that 4 pounder on video. Yeah, just using a crappie jig. Found her on the way to catch fish on beds. Here, let's go. Let me bend that hook back real quick and we'll go find some more. He's still sitting over there. I think you're hitting him in the tail with it right now. Oh, he's got it, I think. Oh, jeez. I mean, the stomach that time. Here, let me tighten your drag since you got heavier line on there.
Is it this way?
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be good. You're good. Alright, I'm staying on this side now. I think he's got it. Oh! Oh. Come on.
I'm trying to help you, buddy.
Just want a picture and then we'll let you go.
Why do you have to take another picture?
You don't want a picture of him?
Oh, he's tiny. Ow!
And bite you?
Yes.
He didn't like you calling him tiny.
Bag.
He's a big one.
I can't see him.
He's sitting over here. He's coming in. He's still sitting back. He's right here.
I don't even know what it is.
He's sitting right there.
I don't know.
I don't know if that's his bed or not, but he's real protective of the shaded area. Here he's turning around right here.
I'm trying to see where he stops. I think it's right here.
I do too. See, he's just sitting right there. Oh, that's perfect. Try. Oh, here, just leave it there. If you want to toss that bigger bait in there, you can.
I don't even see him.
He's sitting back there towards the foam. He's kind of coming this way a little bit. Oh, he's looking at it.
God, he didn't even like that. It wasn't even close to his bed.
I think it was just because it was floating down and he's so aggressive towards it.
Probably not gonna.
Yeah. Oh, wait. He's coming after it. Oh. He was spitting it out.
Spitting it out. I don't think I did that shallow.
That's where he'd been biting at, though, hadn't he? Yeah.
Oh.
Here he comes. Tara. Hold on. Let him fight. Oh, it's a big one. I don't know if he's bigger than the one at Grandpappy, but he's big. Oh, I got him. He's gonna flop when you grab him.
I'm scared. Don't flop, please.
Got him?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know. She might have already moved out though. She might have laid and zeroed out.
What is it?
3-4.
We'll say 3.5.
He's 3.5 any day. He looks bigger than it. Look how long he is. He's so dark and pretty. That's your second biggest spawn fish.
On a crappie rig.
Big bump.
I just think it's because I don't see it at all.
There you go, Tara. There. That's a pretty fish.
I'm trying to help you.
It's such a pretty bass.
He already has one in him.
Really? Crappie jig?
Yeah.
That's not one of ours though.
No, look at it.
Mm-hmm. We need to get that out of there. That's still a good hook. You wanna release him?
Yeah. Yeah, he's tore up right there.
It's a shaky head. He's pretty.